hate cilantro. Today we're gonna be making banh mi sandwiches, pulled pork the vegan way. We're gonna be using jackfruit to make the pulled pork that's gonna go on this banh mi sandwich. And this recipe we're getting from Tasty. It's gonna be bomb. More like balmy. It's time to get
cooking.
Let's make some
Banh mi.
Let's go chug a little bit of matcha. I'm kind of a big deal. I hate the fact that I own this cup. We got our jackfruit. I was gonna buy an actual jackfruit for this, but then I realized the jackfruit is the size of, like a house. Actually, do you know what? No. We're not gonna go to the jackfruit first. Dice up half of an onion. Get the, drop the garlic. We need a pan. The onion. Add all this onion to this pan. Now we're gonna get the garlic and we're just gonna smush it up. We're gonna mince it. And the sweet sound of garlic getting all fried up. The only thing sweeter than that is the sound of a woman giving birth to a beautiful baby child. I've never actually been around for a birth, except for my own, but like I don't remember it very well. And you know what? I just realized I forgot to put oil in this pan. The goal is always nice and soft. Where is my spatula? Now the jackfruit. Okay, so jackfruit comes with these actually not little, like they're big old seeds. Look at the size of this seed. You know what? They say keep them on the side, use them for something else. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, so I'm gonna figure out one. Maybe I'll make a necklace out of them and I give them to a girl I have a crush on as a gift. Oh, you made me a necklace? What's it made from? Jackfruit. Oh, it's just popping, man. It's on and popping. Oh! Once this is nice and soft, I'm gonna put the jackfruit in there, and then I'm also gonna add some seasonings. Liquid smoke, and I also need my homemade Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. I'm gonna get all of the spices together. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pep, half a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. Can't make any jokes about cumin or the way that's spelled because I'm 28. I'm not allowed to do that anymore. Okay, fine, I'll make one joke. Oh, I'm about to cumin. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Little dash of cayenne. Where's my cayenne? Half a teaspoon of Worcestershire. Half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. And I'm gonna add it directly into the spices. I shouldn't have done that, but I'm living with my mistakes and I'm owning up to it. Nice and soft, baby. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add all of this jackfruit. It's gonna fry it up. We're gonna mix it around a little bit. And now I'm gonna add in the spices. And of course, I put in the liquid smoke and the Worcestershire sauce with the spices and then it was sticking to the bottom. And I'm pretty sure now it made little clumps. And you know what? Don't make the same mistake I did. I don't know what I'm doing in the kitchen, all right? And I'm just gonna let that fry up for a little bit. Just a cup of vegetable stock. Collect the seeds of the jackfruit. You can give it to your children, they could eat them. Now we're just gonna let this simmer for 1/2 of an hour. All right, this has been cooking for around 25-30 minutes now. It is definitely a lot more tender and it smells delicious. What we're gonna do now is I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees and this is going to go in this pan and into the oven for an hour to an hour and a half. And oh, this looks so good. Let's toss it in the oven for an hour and we will check back then. I think it is done. Ooh, there it is. Oh, this is just tearing apart. This is the pulled pork coming apart like pulled pork. We're gonna make this
sandwich.
How can you make a sandwich without some bread? Cutting board. Bueno. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 5 minutes to warm up. I've got my sauce. Pickled veggies. There's the parsley. Oh, also, I'm using parsley because I hate cilantro. Let's get that bun out of here. I'm just gonna drizzle it inside of this thing. This is gonna be so good, guys. Oh, nom 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 nom. Let's add some of that pulled pork. Banh mi, say that you banh me. And now we're gonna add the pickled veggies. So we got cucumber and carrots. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna add the final part, which is the parsley. Add that to the top there. Now all we gotta do is do a little taste test. All right, let's have a little bite of Vietnam. This looks so good. That is so good. Holy. The jackfruit is a little bit sweet, but It honestly goes so well with those pickled vegetables and that sauce and the baguette. This is amazing. I am very satisfied with this recipe. Definitely would make it again. Tasty, delicious. Ugh. Big thanks to Tasty for the jackfruit pulled pork recipe. Couldn't have done it without them. Do you have an idea for what I should make next? Leave it in the comments. Till next time.